Are you on the quest for luscious, strong edges? Well, look no further than Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Repair and Strength Edge Glaze, the ultimate nourishing formula for vibrant and resilient hairstyles. Enjoy a soft hold that effortlessly maintains your hairstyle with flexibility and freedom of movement, allowing for a natural, carefree look. Infused with nature's power, our formula provides an amazing shine that radiates health and vibrancy. Enriched with biotin and natural botanicals, it's scientifically formulated to repair and nourish your hair from root to tip. This versatile product works wonders on all hair types, whether you're enhancing your natural curls or achieving a sleek look, making it a perfect daily styling companion. Our formula is free from harsh chemicals, so you can use it daily without worry. Feel good about what you apply to your hair. With a solid 4.1 star rating from over 100 reviews, it's clear this product is making an impact. See for yourself and unleash the power of natural ingredients in your hair care routine. If you're captivated by the benefits of the Blaq Luxury Styling Lotion, don't wait any longer. Check the link in the description for more details and to make a purchase today.